You did it? You didn't release it. You didn't release it, Eric. Press the button now. Press the button. There you go. You did it. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Do you want Auntie to help you?
Me do it.
You do it? Do you want Auntie to help you? Press the button. You did it. Good job.